been a while, so I'm back with another candy video. So I kind of got some weird candy. Bacon cotton candy, pickle cotton candy, peanut butter and jelly cotton candy, a gummy jalapeno pepper, and then we're gonna be trying this thing. This one's the bacon. I don't know. Pickle. That was actually pretty good. Peanut butter jelly. That one's fire. Gummy jalapeno pepper. I don't know how to open it. I got my drink just in case it's too hot. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, tough. Let's just try the whole thing.